Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting Create installed and the parts ready: mechanical crafters, shafts, and item conveyors. Once done, place a rotation source, cogwheels, or a rotational motor next to where the crafters will sit. This is what powers the system. Make sure supply chests with your input materials sit on output conveyors so items feed into the crafter top slots. You want a compact footprint. Position 1 or 2 belts to deliver items directly into each crafter's hands to begin the automated cycle. Now you configure each mechanical crafter with the exact recipe layout. Put the template items into the crafter's pattern slots so each arm knows its position. Once done, connect shafts and gearboxes so rotation timing aligns. This makes all arms perform their actions simultaneously. You'll feed items using funnels, chutes, or belts, timed to arrive when the arm is in the placing position. Make sure to test with a single cycle, watching for misplaced items, and adjust belt timing or gear ratios to perfect synchronization. Complete the setup by routing outputs into a collection chest and running multiple cycles to verify consistent crafting. If crafting fails, first check power. Insufficient torque or wrong gear ratios will let arms miss placements. Increase mechanical power or adjust gears. Make sure inputs arrive in the correct order and at the right tick. Once done, slow the rotation to observe the motion and fix any misalignments. If things still go wrong, pause the motor. Correct the crafter facing or template items, then resume testing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.